She looks at me and she goes, right, Mommy? I go, yes. And she goes, see, I told you. Where's she getting this from?
You're my mommy? You're my mommy?
Yes.
See? Oh, you.
Are you my mom?
Yes.
See? Told you.
Where did she get
I
this?
don't know. She just.
You're my yaya?
Yes.
See? I told you.
You're my yaya.
Yes.
She said, you're my yaya too?
Who am I? Chopping liver?
You're my mama?
I'm your mama.
See?
My mama.
I'm your mama too.
See?
That sounds like see.
See?
And my papa on my friend.
You don't want him. Papa's your friend?
Yeah.
How come you won't let him go to Chuck E. Cheese?
Papa's your friend?
She looked him up and down. She won't
Look at the way he's looking at her.
You're my papa?
Say yes.
Yes.
Are you my papa?
Say yes.
Yes.
See?
I tell you.
I am my yaya.
Yes.
I am my mama.
That's right.
I am my papa.
Yes.
I am Auntie Tilly.
Yes.
See?
She went for everybody.
She's like, just so I can cover up my grounds. Lisa doesn't have any money. Phoenix?
Are you my Phoenix? No? So are you her Phoenix?
You're your friend? Are you
Yes.
See?
Where does this come from? What's my name?
Are you my baby? Oh,
Are
see?
you my friend? See? I told you.
Oh my gosh.
Are you my baby?
Yes.
See? My
Are you
baby.
Auntie Tilly?
Yes.
See? I am my yaya.
Yes.
I am my
Yes.
mama.
Yes.
I am my Tita.
Yes.
You're older than him.
All of them. Oh my goodness. All of them. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, she's smart.
All of them.
All of them.
What about
They
Mia?
are my share.
What about Mia?
Yeah.
Mia's yours?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Mia too.
Go ask Mia.
Mama.
You have to ask her. Say, Mia, are you my dog? Where's Hunter? You got Hunter? Hunter's your dog? Right there. You have to ask Hunter.
You my friend? Yeah.
See?
See? See, Papa?
All of them?
Not me. I'm not yours. No, not me. I'm not yours.
Oh my gosh. She's something else, isn't she?
Say it.
No.
Hey, Phoenix, where's Carl? Phoenix,
Papa's talking to you.
Phoenix,
Phoenix, Papa's talking to you. Phoenix, Papa's talking to you.
where's Carl? Where's Carl? Carl's my baby.
This Bluebird. On the horse's house.
Oh, the barn?
She's ADD.
It's not a frog.
Rabbit.
No, it's rough. Rough.
No.
She's looking. No. Uh-oh. It's a boy. No, she shouldn't even turn it off, I think. Oh.
Yeah. What's happening to you?
I'm tired.
What's happening
My
to you?
feet are killing me.
See?
See?
I told you.